Welcome to the in-class programming 7. In this ICP we are going to learn natural language processing and natural language processing toolkit, which is Python module, and we will learn its uses. So this is question number 1, where source code is already provided, and we need to change the classifiers, and we need to see how the accuracy changes after the operations. So we are changing TF-IDF vectorizer to use bigrams and comparing the accuracy. So as of now the accuracy is 0.7738, and code is running, and after applying the TF-IDF vectorizer we are getting uh, 0.7654 accuracy. And when we remove the stop words, we are using stop words English, so stop words like a and the, these normal words removed, and then we are getting the accuracy 0.81, which is comparatively very high. So let's move to the question number 2, where what we need to do is we need to extract the data of web data from Wikipedia wiki page, Google page, and then we need to perform operations. So in this code, I have made different part of this question number 2, where in this part I am explaining the tokenization concept. Tokenization is just for example, one there is one sentence and we are just dividing its word differently. That is just tokenization. So I am taking the data from this page, and we are using beautiful soap libraries to parse the HTML data, and we are storing the data into the input text file. um, so let's run this code, and we can see the output in file. So this is how the tokenization worked, and we can see its output in input text file. This is like this. So let's move to the question number 2, part 2, where we are doing part of speech, where in English there are part of speech where we divide it like a noun, verb, adverb, like that. So we are taking the same input, and we will run this code, and we will see that this is a verb, and this is everything other, noun, pronoun, something like that. So let's move to the third, stemming. Stemming is the operation where we narrow down to the one base root word. Suppose if there is a word waited, waits, waiting, so root word is wait, so it will narrow down to the word root word. So if I run this code, we are using different streamer like Porter, Streamer, Snowball, and Lancaster, but accuracy of the Porter streamer is better. So we are getting the same three words here, because we are using these three in parallel and printing three in a parallel. So we can see the output here: Wikipedia, Wikipedia, Wikipedia. So Lancaster is not giving proper output for some of the words. uh, it's like that. And moving to the next, we are uh, doing lemmatization. It is similar, but first it determines the part of the speech, like it's a noun, verb, proverb, something like that, and according to that it processes on the word and gives us the output. like we can see statistics, developers, Wikipedia. It should have given developer here. Actually, some for some words it works, some words it doesn't work. Um, okay, so move to the next, which is trigram. It is like n-gram. So bigram, trigram, it's like after in each sentence the three words will be repeated, and then it's like a continuous process. So it's like, see, policy about Wikipedia. So these are the three words, and then about Wikipedia it's coming here, and then next word disclaimer, then Wikipedia disclaimer, and next word. This is like trigram concepts. So we are getting output using this simple loop. And then we are named entity recognition. This is just like it will recognize if in a sentence, if it is a person's name, it is an organization name, or it is a location, something like that. So if we run this code, we are getting this output here. So like uh, this is person, like this is not completely accurate, but it gives some output. It is what it is. So this is all about ICP7. Thank